I'm cleaning up here a little bit, and you can tell there's many different types of frames that you can run in hives. So sometimes they don't like these plastic frames, but then again, sometimes they don't like the regular frames. This one they kind of drew out perfectly on this side, and then this side they just went crazy. And then let's see, so this one they started drawing out pretty good, and again went crazy on that side. Usually if you take that back off, you sit here and scrape all that off, and then melt down some wax and get a nice deep coating on there, then they'll draw it back nice like that side. Now here's what happens if you put a medium frame in a deep box and forget about it, forget to go back and grab it. They decide to make it a deep. So this one wasn't even drawn out. This one here, they started to. Drew it out pretty good on this side till there, but then again that was towards the front of the hive, and so they don't like that front. It's got too much light coming in. Look up a slatted bottom board. They kind of insert, and it helps with that light issue. And some people make them so that they're just one part of the bottom board. But you can see the pollen in here. They start putting pollen in here, and this is all the same worker cells. But here they had probably honey up in here, maybe a little bit of pollen in here, and then the rest of this was brood. But you can tell these cells here are larger than the ones up here. These cells here are drone, and then these are worker. So they decided, and a lot of times when they do it on the bottom of these medium frames and you stick them in a deep, they will put the whole thing full of drone brood. So then we get down here, and this is an older style frame that came with a nuke that I bought years ago. But you can see this metal band up here, and then this is like a real thin plastic, and then they build off that, and of course they screwed this all up. But this side doesn't look too bad, but you can tell maybe on the video this plastic here, it warped. Let me try to get a better angle. You can see where it's bowed up and bowed away from this side. So that is some of the cause of this craziness, where they decided to build it over here because it's nice and flat, and then this side kind of is up, and they didn't build it very well. But that's the different styles of frames that are just outside my hives here. So it's still about 50 degrees, so my hives are not very active, but they're going on. This is the nuke I installed yesterday. Yes, I'm a typical bigger beekeeper. I don't keep my yard mowed very well, but they're starting to come out. They're starting to fly. So, alrighty. Hope you enjoy my videos. I know I don't make very many very often, but when I do, I try to make a good video. Let me know if I'm doing a good job. Thank you. Have a great day.